There are many ways that ballerinas can move through the space. They can move forward, they can move backward, they can move side to side, and they can move through different pathways. Ballerinas can also move high to low. They can move big or small. They can change their eye level from high to low. Ballerinas need to listen to their music. They have to find the beat. The beat can be slow, or the beat can be fast. The beat can also change rhythm. Now let's work on our butterfly stretch. Send your arms out behind you, place your hands on the floor. Bring your knees together and point your toes. And open, close, open, and close. Both knees together this time. Open, close, open, close. Now use those butterfly wings, arms up and down, arms up and down, and reach forward and lift up. And one more time, reach forward and lift up. Now let's do our butterfly stretch. Bring your knees together and point your toes and set your hands out behind you. Open one knee and close, open and close. Now both knees together, open, close, open, close, and open. Now let's use those butterfly arms up and down, arms up and down, and stretch forward and back up. One more time, stretch forward and up. Now we are going to fly like airplanes. Lay out on your tummy. Send your arms out to the side. And on a count of 3, we are going to fly like airplanes. 1, 2, 3. Fly like an airplane. Now, let's pretend to be airplanes. Lay down out on your tummy. Set your arms out wide. And now let's fly like an airplane. Now let's do the sleeping shell. Hide inside your shell, go to sleep, and now lift up out of your shell and wake up. And go to sleep inside your shell and wake up. Next, let's do sleeping shells. Go to sleep, hide your head under your shell, and now wake up. And go to sleep and wake up. Now we are going to toss a bouquet. Bend down, grab your bouquet of flowers, bring the arms up through center, up overhead, and then toss your bouquet. Bend down, grab your flowers, lift up overhead, and toss. Next, we're going to pick up our bouquet. Reach down, bending down, grab your bouquet of flowers, take them out in front of you, up overhead, and toss. And bend down, grab your bouquet, arms in front, and up overhead, toss. Now let's jump rope. Everyone grab your jump rope. The color of my jump rope is rainbow. What color is yours? Now let's jump with 2 feet. Now let's hop with 1 foot. And the other foot. And now switching. Let's hop with 2 feet. Now let's hop with 1 foot. And the other foot. Now let's switch. Next, we're going to do toe taps. Toe tap, 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 and close. Other leg. Toe tap, 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 and close. Let's try that again. Toe tap, 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 and close. Toe tap, 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 and close. Now, let's try our plie arabesque. Plie arabesque. Use your ballerina arms. Other way. Plie arabesque. Let's try that again. Plie arabesque. Other side. Plie arabesque. Now let's make a big wave and a little wave. Big wave, 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 little wave. Now let's jump in the box and say hello. Saying hello to all sides of the room. Hello, jump, bend, and stretch. Bonjour, jump, and stretch. Ni hao, jump, and stretch. Hola, jump, and stretch. Now let's go the other way. Hello, jump, and stretch. Bonjour, jump, and stretch. Ni hao, jump, and stretch. Hola, jump, and stretch. Let's try that again. Hello, jump, and stretch. Bonjour, jump, and stretch. Ni hao, jump, and stretch. Hola, jump, and stretch. Let's go the other way. Hello, jump, and stretch. Bonjour, jump, and stretch. Ni hao, jump, and stretch. Hola, jump, and stretch. Next, we're going to learn plie and stretch and elevate and down. So we start plie and stretch, elevate and down. Bend your knees, stretch, up to your tippy toes, and press down. Let's try that again. Plie, and stretch, elevate, press down, bend, and stretch, tippy toes, and down. Now let's gallop like a pony. Extend one arm out, the other one by your side. Point your toe and gallop. Let's go the other way. Now let's use our arms like butterfly wings. Up and down, arms up and down. Now let's use our butterfly wings as we move around in a circle. Up and down, arms up and down. Let's try it again. Use your arms up and down, like butterfly wings, up and down. Now let's continue to use our butterfly wings as you move around in a circle. Up and down, arms up and down, up and down. Next, let's walk like an elephant. Make your arms into an elephant trunk. Step your feet out wide, and now big steps moving side to side. Let's try that again. Step your feet out wide, make your arms into an elephant trunk, and step side to side. Now let's hopscotch. Hands on your hips, jump with 2 feet, jump to 1 foot. 2 feet, the other foot together. Let's try that again. 1 foot, 2 feet, the other foot, 2 feet, together. Let's do our port de bras side. Port de bras side reach, up and over, and arms to center, and open, and port de bras side the other way. Arms to center, and open, port de bras side, and port de bras side the other way. Let's try that again. Arms to center, and open, port de bras side, and port de bras the other way, port de bras side, and port de bras side.